Perfect for family households, this washer-dryer from Samsung has a generous 10 kilogram capacity. QuickDrive technology creates a faster water flow that covers the entire drum. This ensures that detergent deeply penetrates the fabric, thoroughly washing your clothes in less time. Get through laundry faster without sacrificing results. Ecobubble creates bubbles from a mixture of air, water and detergent. They penetrate your clothes during the cycle to provide effective stain removal at lower washing temperatures. Enjoy immaculate results from a cost-effective performance. Auto Optimal Wash uses 4 sensors to detect the weight and level of soil for each load. The wash settings are automatically adjusted accordingly, so you can achieve perfect results effortlessly. With its sleek and modern design, this Samsung washer-dryer is sure to add a touch of style to any home.